Joma. How to say? I got recommended this video on YouTube of a highlight from Sawa. VTuber. And I've been fascinated because she did a wonderful presentation on how to sound like me. And she actually does a wonderful impression. I would love to collab with her about this situation. Let me show it to you guys. Ah! Sorry. Wrong button. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, man. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. She was polite. She was nice. Cause usually when I see stuff like this, I'm a bit scared. Cause what if it's something mean? And I'm worried. I get worried when stuff like this happens. But this stream has been very highly entertaining. So she's been very lovely. Let's see it. She does very good impression. Like, goddamn. Death Road to Canada. Thank you, Saya. You are so cute. I see what you did there. Oh. Actually, let me write down who am I watching. One second. Let me add some text. Just leave the mean stuff to Kampai Nikki. Oh, the mean stuff only to you. You guys, I want our relationship to be more like the brother and sister. They're like, you can be mean to me, you can call me names, you can do whatever you want. But if someone else does that instead of you, can you like punch them in the face for me or something? Thanks, appreciate it. Like I can only take so much. Okay. Hi. Hi. Yoshi. Watching Sawa Grape-sama. YouTube. Just so you guys know where to search. I don't know if she has a Twitch. Does she have a Twitch? I have not checked. No. We'll see. But you guys can't hear it. 1 second, I'll fix it. One moment. Audio. Nice.
Important power. This power I have discovered through nights of voice acting. Constant voice acting.
Frozen Gale donated $25 to the most evil list Sawa-sama. Hey everyone,
Your
Sawa
power,
is back
you
with
say,
the milk.
huh?
That
That's
was a long grocery store run.
What?
Did you remember the pellets?
I'm really scared. I admire the I admire the bravery of people putting TTS donation because I don't know the shit you fuckers could say to me live on stream and only on stream would be like I turn it on once and that's where it ends. That's the end of it. We said with love. Shut the fuck up. Half of you fuckers that I recognize the name of in this chat room try to spell the N-word in Pipa-chan's waiting room, you fuckers. I know half of you here who was in exact that chat room, you pieces of shit.
Just eat this wood chips or something. You could just eat. I think guinea pigs eat cardboard. You can have some cardboard. Yeah.
Yeah.
It has fiber. Yeah. So, should we play music while we talk about that?
Yeah, go for it, Sawa.
Oh gosh. Hold on. Let me check everything. YouTube was kind of
Good, I'm
weird
drinking
today.
coffee.
I was watching somebody else's stream and it kept buffering, so I had to check my speed, and that's why I'm late.
Don't trust you, know.
I'm usually late. But can you guys hear me okay? Is everybody okay? Everybody doing good?
I'm fantastic.
I'm doing okay?
Yeah, you're doing okay. I'm doing okay.
I have a lot, I guess, to talk about before we play the game?
David
So
Caruso,
I
I
made
miss
for
him
you a
too.
presentation.
Presentation!
Evil presentation.
Oh, evil! Okay. I really like that laugh. I want to do it too.
So yeah, she
I
was
like
nice.
it.
Let me see
I like
something.
it. That's so cute.
Let's play some BGM.
It reminds me of Justin Bieber with that interview. She's
Let's
like, I
play
like
some
that laugh. I like that laugh.
Hold on.
I love it.
Oh. I hope you guys have been okay. I've been pretty busy with voice acting stuff.
Wait, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Wait. Bieber. I really like this meme.
Shorter. Okay. Shorter. Okay. Like, because Selena Gomez.
Wait, let me find it. Is it this? Hello? Hello? YouTube sama? YouTube sama? I got heels. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Shorter. Okay. Like, because Selena Gomez said that she wants to cut your hair. Yeah. Did you hear that? I didn't hear that, but what do you think of sounds like something she'd say. I like that laugh.
I didn't expect that. I got jump scare.
I like that laugh.
Oh goodness.
So that's why I have not been around. I've been busy. I've been busy. We'll play.
What's that? Give it to me too. Oh shit.
Let's play this. No, this one. Yes, this looks perfect. This looks perfect. Let me know. Let me know if it sucks. And I will turn it off. I will turn it off for you, sweetie.
Sweetie. I gotta learn now because she has mastered the
Yeah,
way
wait,
of
wait,
copying
I'm
me.
so
I gotta
happy
copy
you
her
guys are
back.
happy.
We gotta. She cannot infiltrate the Kampai-Nikki ways with this
Everybody
voice.
knows.
I gotta do the same.
Out of all of Face Connect,
Mm.
I really like Tenma.
Oh,
I
that's
think she's a hard worker. I think she's cute. And I think she's cuter when she's angry. I think it's kind of funny. Anyway,
She likes it when I
I
pop a
found out the
vein.
other day I can kind of sound like Tenma.
Oh,
And it scared the shit out of me.
oh.
So I wanted...
I seen the Joe Mama clip,
some of
but
it,
it
right?
didn't
I
really sound
recorded
like
some
me.
of it,
But this
and I
time she
posted
made it
it
sound
on
like
the
me
Twitter.
exactly.
And people thought
Oh.
I clipped Tenma and put it in. First of all,
I like a lot.
no. I would not do that. And second of all, Joe Mama. It's so funny.
I see the potential. I see the
I was just
potential.
watching her clips because I was so... Oh my gosh, I can't tell you. I was so busy. I guess it's the good kind of busy. Where you're working and you're doing stuff you like. But man, I was so fucking busy. Voice acting stuff. That I didn't have time to play games and I'm sorry. Anyway.
It's fine.
What were we doing? Oh yeah!
Yeah.
You there. You know she's on hiatus, right? Or did she come back?
Oh, we don't know. We don't know. I don't know.
I don't know if she came back.
We don't. I don't know. She never comes back. She's dead.
Do you miss
I
Tenma?
kill her.
Is she...
AI
do
ma
you
in the
want to
rise.
sound like Tenma?
Oh,
Do you
I
like
miss
Tenma?
Tenma.
And
I want
talking to the
Tenma.
mirror.
I wanna be Tenma. I am Tenma. Are you
I don't
Tenma?
know what you
I am
use this
Tenma.
power for.
Are
Okay?
you Tenma? I'm
I just
Tenma.
know
I'm Tenma.
how to sound
I'm
like
Monkey's
Tenma.
uncle donated
I'm Tenma.
$2 to the
I'm
most
Tenma.
wickedest Sawa
I'm
Sama.
Tenma.
I like
I'm
you hat
Tenma.
Sawa.
I'm
Very
Tenma.
seasonal.
I'm
Yeah.
Tenma. I'm Tenma.
P-U-I-P-U-I-P-U-I.
I'm Tenma.
Anyway, don't use this power for bad.
Okay.
Use this power for good. For good, okay? You promise? And we will not tell her about it.
Oh,
do
God
not-
forbid. God
I do
forbid she knows
want
of
her
this.
to even know I exist
Oh,
at all.
fuck.
At all.
We're gonna have an issue now.
This level of cringe,
We're gonna have an
high for
issue
her
now.
her little fox body to take. She can't take this. So that's fine. We're just gonna everybody promise?
Uh-huh.
We're not gonna tell her?
Uh-huh.
We're not gonna tell her.
Oh.
Or else you're a baka. Baka. Okay. Let's start this.
Guess we're a little bit of a
Sound like
silly.
Tenma Maemi.
Hey. How do we do that?
Step 1. Drink.
I can't sound like Tenma Maemi because I'm not allowed to drink anymore for like a while. I think I just failed how to sound like Tenma Maemi. I'm banned from drinking for a while because I'm close to get diabetes.
Drink alcohol.
Fuck.
Okay? If only
Akiba
if you're of
donated
age.
$1 to the most evil list Sawa Sama.
Thank you.
You use the voice to Tenma to get me to do whatever you want. Tenma, era pooey 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 pooey. Also Spino, don't send this to her URETARB.
ETA, right? Oh, he's a retard, yeah. Everybody knows that though.
You can't say that. No. We play around the
just
we
wanted
play around the streamer rules on my turf. Listen here, Sawa. We don't say the R word. We say retired. We say artistic. We say artistic as an artist, like Da Vinci, like Michelangelo. We try to avoid the Game Awards by saying something similar to it, but the bot will not recognize that it's the thing I said. Because how would they? How would they? We don't say the full Game Awards because YouTube is a bit of a poopy head, especially on YouTube. I don't know why they are poopy heads. But Twitch, you can bend the rules, okay? Okay?
You know about me. You ever have that, like,
There
there are certain people on the internet I do not want them to know I exist. And she is on that list. It's her. It's like Sakana.
Oh.
It's like, cause I really like business people.
Oh.
You know, I respect people that can do different things than me. And I don't have a very big business mindset.
You respect business people, you said. Hold on. No. She likes them business. Wait a second. I got this. I just gotta put on my outfit. Hold on, I'm changing under the table. It's not a big deal. I just don't worry about it. I just gotta put on the suit and I'm today a businesswoman. It is a pleasure, gentlemen, during this business gathering of conversation. Even if I cannot become Tenma, I can dress like one. With this professional business mindset, we shall become Tenma. Even if I cannot drink and I already fail becoming Tenma, it is fine. Because I will be Tenma. I will be the Tenma we need. The Tenma piece is real.
You see, I do shit for free. Like, I really...
You shit for free? The fuck? My butt.
Stupid about stuff. So yeah, I respect business minds. But first, let's get back to this. You have to drink.
Yeah, what?
Now, you don't necessarily, like me, I don't drink alcohol that often. So
Oh.
I have here.
Oh.
Hear that? These are alcohol wipes. What you doing?
That's that's a that's a different kind of high. You're kind of reaching, Sawa. It's not really good for you to do the alcohol wipe. What you gonna do? She won't. She will not. I don't think she will by any chance take out a wipe and rub it all over her tongue and like chew it or something. She will not. She's not gonna lick the alcohol wipes, guys. Come on, she's smarter than this.
You just need it in your system. You just take one and you rub it in your hands, okay?
Okay.
Hear that? And it will soak into your system. There we go.
You know what? Yeah, let's do that. That's family friendly. Yeah. No. Oh, yeah. No. This is better than what I wanted, actually. You know what? I did not want. This is good. This is good. Put notes. This is good. Whew, this is safe.
Okay. Oh my god. I can feel it. It smells so bad. Oh my god.
Hi. Do you feel it now, Mr. Krabs? Okay.
You had a drink. Yeah, you had to drink alcohol.
Oh.
Only if you're of age.
No.
Only if you're of age, baka.
No, real motherfuckers know alcohol tastes the best when you're 9 years old, my dudes. Let's fucking go.
When you cook it, baka.
When your grandma gives you a taste of that sweet, sweet wine, you know it's starting.
Anyway, so step 1, drink. Step 2, crap! Hate your boss. Hate your boss.
Nice,
Got
thank
that?
you.
See, this is probably why I can't do the full accent that well. Because I don't have a boss to hate.
Yeah. That's what you need a boss for the accent.
Today.
So what's on? How did you? Yeah. No, I agree.
So I can't really
Hi.
get that close to it. Just shove No, stupid! Don't shove wipes nowhere! Baka!
So tell me, how did that make you feel?
That wouldn't work anyway. You just burn your asshole. You know what? You do that. And then come back and tell us what happens.
Oh, yeah! Good job, Sawa-san. Exactly what I would
Okay.
say. Hi, okay.
Last but not least, you do the voice. Okay?
Hi.
So you're gonna get in this register.
Hi.
If you can get there,
Hi.
you can get there.
Hi.
I can't tell you how to get there.
Hi.
Can you get here?
Can you
get here?
Can you get here?
Okay.
Okay.
You hold your breath,
Oh.
then you pinch the ridge in your nose.
Oh, I don't do
pinch
that. Okay.
And then you say something Tenma would say.
What would I say?
You need to find something.
I don't know. What do I say?
Someone used was sending stuff on Twitter.
What do I
See
say?
if I can find something.
Motherfucker.
voice is very difficult though.
Oh.
Because again, I have to have a boss I hate.
Not all the time. No, not all the time. Don't worry. I don't hate my boss. We just fight back
See
and
if I
forth.
can find something.
I just hate the shit he does, but I don't hate him that much. It's fine. From last year,
Okay,
this year he's better.
I found something.
Nani?
Pipa, I swear to fucking God.
God! Oh, it sounds there. Wait, kai. Oh, wait, kai.
Pipa, I swear to
That sounds, that's good,
Fucking God.
That sounds good. Oh, wait, kai.
I was just watching your stupid, like,
I
clips,
kanji.
and every time I hear, Cho, mama, it made me laugh so hard.
Is that a hamster that's walking?
Pipa.
Pipa.
He's beautiful.
Pipa.
He's a fox. Little angry fox lady.
little
Holy
lunatic.
shit, she's doing it. She's doing it.
See, that's good. That's good.
She's fox lady.
Holy shit, she's doing it. She's doing it.
I was working really hard.
That's good. That's good. Oh, that's so good. Okay, that's so good. Then mama, nice thumbnail. Thank you, Pyobo. I worked very hard on it. Lazy, thank you so much. Wait.
Okay? Hey, so you just little angry fox lady.
Holy shit, she's doing it. She's doing it. すごい.
So you just hold your nose and that's how I found out. I was
Wow. すごいじゃん.
working really hard. Okay?
Wow.
I was working really hard on voice acting stuff for a bunch of people. And I got a cold because I was staying up late and I wasn't taking care of my immune system.
Yeah,
And
holding
then I
the
was
nose
like, you know
might
what,
be
I'm
the
gonna take a
serious.
break. I'm gonna watch
I don't
Tenma.
hold my nose, but I
And
should.
so I was watching
If
Tenma
I hold
and
my
I got
nose-
kind of dizzy.
Ah.
And
That
as
was-
I was getting dizzy,
Now I hold my nose. Yeah.
yo, mama.
So, yeah.
You pinch it, you get in that register, okay? Can you get in this register? Like it's like New York Sawa, only you get rid of the accent. So it sounds a little like this.
If you ever need a break, you can use it as a replacement. Imagine Tenma Maemi taking breaks over my Gerilla's body. The Mao.
Without the accent.
Aww.
And then you hold your breath as much as you can. Not all your breath. I don't want you to die, okay? I don't want you to die. But you hold your, Give us Spanish, Tenma. I've heard Tenma speak Spanish. She's really good.
Oh, I'm a professional Spanish somehow. The Spanish,
Really good. If you
the
guys
Spanish
write something in
madres
Spanish in the chat, maybe I
love
can
the
read it.
shit out of me somehow.
Nothing nasty! Nothing nasty, Blanca!
Baka. Oh, she's good. She's
Oh,
baka.
this tastes so good.
I have like this chai tea with hot milk foam. It's like so boss.
It's so
That's
good.
not the same person. Fuck off. Is that your sister? Can you bring your sister back on the mic, boss? Who's that?
No! Only do good. Only do good. Or bad. Depending.
Me
Me
gusta.
gusta.
Oh,
No, that didn't work.
me gusta.
I know it.
Me gusta.
Joe Mama is Spanish.
Is
It is
Spanish.
She has like this accent though.
Not
It's
the,
very-
not the but.
And she carries an S sound throughout the entire sentence.
It's?
I don't know if you guys hear it,
What is a song?
but it's and it carries. You know what? I might listen to a clip
I do?
just so I can explain it better.
Wait, what do I say?
¿A quién estás? Dice shut up to.
¿Quién es esta? Shut up to.
I don't speak Spanish.
I don't know what it means.
It's the closest I can get, but her accent is very pretty. Hold on.
I don't know.
See if I can find it.
Sawa
Turn
told
out to be genius.
for this course she was gonna take
We
a
are gonna
nap right
fight it,
before the
guys.
stream right
Actually,
now.
We're gonna find
That
it
will
very
be fun
quick.
when she wakes up.
Is this guy going
This
not
way, Sawa.
Okay.
I don't know what they mean.
Okay, let's see.
Remo, they don't know.
I don't know if I can. I don't know. Hold on.
Oh yeah! Hey,
There's
listen!
monkey sounds.
You can do
Hold
the
on.
hey, listen, I
That's
think.
a monkey sound.
Listen! Hey! Listen!
That accent, man.
Oh. What did I say? What did I say there? I don't even
No
hear what
one
I
like
said.
a grain. Oh. Fuck grain. Oh my god.
What did I say there? No, I like the grain.
Akiva donated $1 to the
you're
most
a pretty
evil
boss.
list Sawa Sama.
So cute, bros.
I need a
No,
bereni
I
from you.
like
Please,
grain.
Sawa.
Fuck
Baranya.
grain. Baranya.
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 Okay, so did we
God
learn, what did
damn.
we learn today?
Half
We
of that
learned,
chat do not really know. They don't
We
know.
learned when I get sick,
Oh.
I say stupid shit.
Oh, you say stupid shit.
When I get sick, I do stupid shit.
Odd? Sometimes I can roll it. I can say the. Oh, that's not an odd. Oh, Akiba-san! Wow! Moderator! I see you in there. Akiba-san! Get!
I need to slur more. I
Get
need
caught in 4K! Akiba-san! Get caught in 4K!
Just right. It needs to be extra alcoholic.
Okay.
Tenma drags her asses. Yeah, she drags it through the whole sentence. You can hear it.
I did off my
whole
ass?
thing, and I think that's cool. But
How do
again,
you solve it? What does it mean?
this.
I don't
You
know what it
motherfucker,
means.
don't tell her about this. Don't tell her. Don't
Oh, that sounded good.
okay?
But I don't know what it means
This
by
is
ass.
between you. Don't tell. You mother. Don't tell her
That sounded good.
about this. You motherfucker, don't tell her about this. You mother. Don't tell her about this. You motherfucker, don't tell her about this.
I can't do it.
Tell her. Don't
But that sounded good. That sounded good. That sounded good, Sawa-chan.
This is
Sweet.
between you, me,
So good.
and whichever Fed is watching me right
I
now.
drug my
Okay? This
ass.
is between us.
What's this?
This is. I need more wipes, probably. I need to cut a hole in the pack and just suck them.
Suck him. No!
That's what I probably need to do.
No!
Oh, man. Tenma in chat. She's not in here. Stop that. Stop lying. Stop lying! Fucking loser.
Fucking loser. Oh, that sounded good. I wanna do.
Now let's get on to some real shit.
It is.
We're
Can
gonna
also
play
do
a
a really
game
good.
today.
Oh.
Yay!
The game is very wonderful. You guys should watch the video. It's a road to Death Road to Canada is the video. It's on her channel, just so you guys know. It's cool video. But that's about it of the tutorial. That was really good, Sawa-chan. I am impressed. Pardon me, I'm very impressed, Sawa-chan. A very good, a wonderful impression. Yeah. You good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm pretty good. I keep having the need to burp, and I'm trying my best not to do those. But I really liked it. I like the video, it's funny. She's very lovely. She's very full of positivity. Yeah. That's the thing. She's full of positivity, and I like that because she laughs easily. She had a what do you call it? Debut. She had a debut recently, and I'm very happy for her for finding her identity. Very proud of Sawa-chan. Very lovely, cutie. What can I say? I love the cute anime girls. Why are you giving codes? This man just gave a code. So, enjoy that free code of, that I cannot get anything because, it's been posted. I'm not sure what is that, but that was something. Read a stream of Tenma and Sawa and the Sawa and Tenma sound clips where we guess who's who. I have another. You can't post them. Junior, you can't post them though. I think that's against the rules. I don't think it's good. Well, goddamn, I guess. Okay, fine. There he goes. There he goes. Are there bots? Oh, yo. You got famous? Me? No. I'm not. I am grateful that Sawa was very how do I she did a wonderful impression, and she was very polite, and she's very cute. And I think she's nervous because she didn't want me to find out of this. But now, when she's gonna watch the video,